In today's video, we'll talk about the MS Word interface, meaning, when you open MS Word, what parts appear on the screen? What are their names? And what are they used for? Whether you're a student, teacher, or office worker, this information will be very useful for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Title bar. At the very top is the title bar where the name of your file and MS Word is displayed. Here, you can see the name of your file and whether it is saved or not. Quick Access Toolbar. Located next to the title bar. This contains shortcuts like Save, Undo, and Redo, which you can access quickly. Ribbon tabs, Home, Insert, etc. These are the main tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Review, View. Each tab contains different tools and options to help you work efficiently. Ribbon panel. When you click on any tab, the options shown below it are called the ribbon panel. For example, in the Home tab, you'll find Font, Paragraph, Styles, and more. Document area. This is the main white space where you actually type your content like a report, letter, or any document. Scroll bar. Located on the right side of the screen, it helps you scroll up and down when the document gets longer. Status bar. At the bottom of the screen, it shows details like your position in the document, number of pages, word count, and the selected language. Zoom slider. Also found in the bottom right corner, it lets you zoom in or zoom out on the document. Tips and tricks. If you want to show or hide certain tabs, you can customize the ribbon. Learn keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+S, Save, or Ctrl+Z, Undo. They save you time. So friends, this was a complete overview of the MS Word interface. Once you understand all these sections well, working in Word becomes much easier. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel to keep learning more. See you in the next video.